What if Hitler had launched Operation Barbarossa in early May 1941 instead of late June? 6 weeks. That's all it would have taken to change everything. German forces would have had those crucial extra weeks before winter set in. No autumn mud to slow their advance. No frozen ground stopping their tanks. Moscow would have fallen before the first snow. Stalin's government would have fled east in panic, abandoning the capital. The Trans-Siberian Railway cut. Supply lines to the Eastern Front severed. Japan, seeing Soviet weakness, would have attacked from the east. The Red Army, caught between two massive invasions, would have collapsed entirely. No Eastern Front to drain German resources. No Second Theater bleeding the Wehrmacht dry. America would have faced Nazi Germany alone. And by 1945, Hitler would have had nuclear weapons. 6 weeks earlier. That's all it would have taken. The entire course of human history, changed by a simple scheduling decision.